Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add and sync subtitles in your video by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Then tap on new project. Now add the video to your timeline. Then extract the audio. In here, if you tap on text option, then you guys will find out auto caption option. Then you guys can add auto captions to your video. Now let's change the styles. Tap on style and then you guys will find out a lot of text templates. Use any of them that you want. First you guys will find out the trending and then you guys can find out the options. Tap on the options that you want and then you guys will find out different templates. For example, I'm going to use this template. It is trending now. If you want to add another templates to your video, you guys can also do it. Just tap on the text and then tap on style. Here if you tap on here, then this text effect will not be applied to the other text. Now choose the text effect that you want, then you guys can use different types of templates to your caption. You guys can also split the text and then use another templates on it to make the video more engaging. People will find it more attractive if you use different kinds of templates in your text. Now watch the video. So this is how you guys can add and sync subtitles in CapCut for maximum engagement. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.